Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Apple Watch is not giving the workout announcements like pace updates or distance alerts or voice feedback, you can just simply try these methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So in our very first solution, you just have to check the voice feedback settings. So the workout announcements highly depend on the voice feedback being enabled. So you just have to first of all open your watch application on your iPhone. Then you just have to look for the option of workout. In the workout option, look for the option of voice feedback. Right next to it, you will see this type of toggle button. So you just have to turn it on. So if this setting is disabled, your Apple Watch will stay silent during the workouts. So make sure that it is enabled. Now, even with the voice feedback enabled, silent settings can block the announcements. So you can simply swipe up on your Apple Watch and then you can check if the silent mode is enabled. So if the silent mode is on, you just have to basically turn it off. Also in the settings, go to the option of sounds and haptic, and here you just have to increase the volume level. The low volume is another frequent cause of this problem. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try our third solution, in which you just have to simply verify the Bluetooth headphones connection. The announcements often play through the connected headphones. So if your AirPods or the Bluetooth earbuds confirm they are connected properly, so disconnected audio devices frequently cause the missing announcements. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply do a quick restart. For that, you just have to power off the watch, and after that, you just have to turn it back on. So this also going to refresh the audio related system. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.